dankie Choose om te gee my geskenk. Ek het gevra vir jullie, as jy hierdie gesit in Facebook, almal sal dit lief vir dit, hulle sal vra vir hulle kinders, kan hulle vir hulle juffrouens, kan hulle kinders in Choose Children wees. Ek is hier dan, ek het so
What gift did you get?
I got crayons, rula. I asked for teacher forgetting me that when I wanted it really. I wanted it really I wanted a teddy bear. I always wanted a plushie, but I didn't feel comfortable, so I wished for a teddy bear. Pakkie goeders, wat is dit?
Skare alles, skryfbehoefte.
Skryfboes.
Nou sê gou vir Tannie.
Dankie. Dankie, Choose Children.